Monthly maintenance fees can sneak up on you. Avoiding them on your Bank of America checking or savings account is easy once you know the requirements. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. For accounts like Advantage Banking, the monthly fee can be waived by meeting certain conditions each statement period. The most common ways are: 1. Maintaining a minimum daily balance, e.g., $1,500, 2. Having at least one qualifying direct deposit, e.g., $250 plus, or 3. Being a student under a certain age. You can see your account-specific requirements in your online banking under Account Details or the Fee Schedule. My crucial pro tip? Set up a small, recurring direct deposit. Even if your paycheck goes elsewhere, you can often set up a small automatic transfer from another bank, like $250, to count as a direct deposit. Check Bank of America's rules, as this automated transfer sometimes qualifies to waive the fee. Keep your money working for you, not for bank fees. Which method do you use to avoid monthly account fees? For more smart money saving guides, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.